Hi, it's Carrie Watson with Photo Finish by Carrie. I'm a mom of two, a professional photographer, and a lineman's wife, and I am here to tell you I need fast and easy makeup, and this is how I do it. So if you hear my kids in the background, just know this is actually my real life. Today we're going to be talking about contouring. Contouring can be really intimidating. It's really dark colors, but I'm going to show you how to make it really easy with Maskcara Beauty products. It's really easy, it's really simple. Stick with me here and I promise you're going to be a pro in no time. So what we have here is my two foundation colors, and then I have my two contour colors that I like to work with on a daily basis. I don't always use my darker contour color, but I'm going to show you how I use it today in this video. First of all, I like to take the fat end of the detailed hack brush from Maskcara Beauty and I like to tap halfway into my makeup. So not all the way in, but halfway in so that I grab a line of contour on my brush. And why I do that is because I want a thin line to apply right on my cheek, right there. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a fake line, or an imaginary line, from where my ear connects to my head, right there at my hairline, all the way down to the center part of my lip. And what I'm doing is just connecting that line with the contour, but I'm staying back far enough from my eye. So I want to start at the edge of my eye and work my way back. So that's what I've done there. And I'm just applying, just like so. It's not, there's no science to this, okay? It's not, you don't have to be a super professional, you just have to get it on. Okay, now from here, all you do is lightly flip. That's all you do. Just lightly flip up and back and forward and just gently massage this out until you get the look of the contour that you want. Really simple, really easy, really easy. The cream on cream colors make it really easy to blend. As you can see, I did not scrub into the product and I didn't like smush it on or scrub it out. I just lightly flipped, bringing it back towards my mouth, but not applying the product there. So you can blend it in a broader area, but don't apply it here. If that makes sense, we don't want ourselves to look muddy or gaunt or like we have some dark pigment right here. We just want it to look blended and really nice and seamless. So that is the most common place to place your contour. Now, I'm going to show you some other places. You can also take this and apply it on your forehead right here. So I like to apply it to the sides of my widow's peak, or if you have a really high forehead, you can place it along the entire top of your forehead. If you have more of a square or a really round, short forehead, then apply it more to the sides. It really just depends on the shape of your face and how your hairline hits. There you go, guys. But that's how I like to apply my contour on my forehead. And then my favorite place to put it is right here on my jawline. So this is really important, and I'm probably gonna make some funny faces with you guys here, but I want you to hang with me. If you want to slim your neckline, this is how you do it. This is the same method that I use when retouching photographs in my professional sessions, and this is the same method that I'm going to show you today. So we start with a little bit of contour on our brush. We go in behind our ear and we blend it down and around, okay? Now I am not taking this and blending it onto my jawline. I'm not blending it right here. I'm blending it on the bottom side. So when you get your neck squished out, these are the faces that I'm talking about, and these are the faces that I'm gonna need you to make in the mirror when you're applying it so that you know you don't have that harsh line or it doesn't look like you have makeup on your neck. But you're gonna squish down and see where that line is, and you're gonna place right on the bottom side of it, okay? Right there. You guys see that? Right there. Then, when you have that applied, I want you to wipe off the excess off your brush, because we don't want to apply a bunch of product down our neck, we just want to blend it. And we come down and we just flip and blend, flip and blend until we get the blend that we want. You see how that just defines that jawline, slims our neck. If your hair is down, you can take that contour on down the side of your neck and blend it out. And this is a great tip for looking defined and thinned, but not overly caked in makeup and then not really obvious that you are wearing makeup on your neck. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. So if you're wanting to contour your nose, I have a nose that I'm not really fond of contouring. It's pretty chiseled in itself. I don't have that really soft, sloping, flat nose. But if you have a nose like mine, you are more than welcome to contour your nose. Don't let me discourage you. I'm gonna show you how to contour your nose no matter what nose type you have. This is just a really simple, easy technique. So I want you to take the little end of your detailed hack brush. You can also use the blend and tap brush, whatever little end brush you have, or you can use your finger, whatever you have. I want you to tap into your normal contour color, and I want you to place it where your nose starts to roll over, okay? So you don't want to place it on the side of your nose, you want to place it right there on that ridge or on that slope to the side so that you're actually thinning your nose, okay? Because if you're just placing your contour to the side, you're just accentuating your nose, you're not really thinning it. So that's what we do, and then we lightly flip in and up. We don't blend back, we flip in towards the bridge of our nose, and then we come down it, just like so, because we're gonna kind of clean off the edge of that brush. We're gonna tap a little bit into our linen or a really lightest highlight, and we're gonna tap down the center of our nose, and we're just gonna lightly tap, tap, tap until that's blended in. So we're not gonna come in with the big end and scrub or overly blend, we're just gonna lightly tap that on until it's blended. And then you can also take a little bit of that linen and kind of blend back down the sides, like so, wherever you need it. Okay guys, but that's how you contour your nose. Really easy peasy. Okay, now I'm gonna show you one last step on this trick, and then we're gonna fast forward through on this side, and we're gonna use the same methods that I just did, but I just want you to be able to see it again, okay? So this last tip is it's fun. It's the best one. So if you're really going out, or you really want your contour to pop, or if you really just want a really chiseled cheekbone, this is how you do it. So I want you to tap halfway into that contour color again, but this time we're gonna go with that darker color, okay? We're gonna tap halfway on our brush, just that thin line, and this time instead of coming so far forward, we're just gonna stay right here, right underneath that jawbone, okay? So we're actually placing this on the bottom side of the actual jawbone, so not down here in the fleshy tissue, okay? But right here, on the bottom side of that jawbone, and we're just tapping it on right there. Now that's it. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna fluff off our brush. We're gonna make sure we don't have a lot of excess product on our brush so we're not making a mess. And we're just gonna lightly swirl and buff. And again, you can see I'm not squishing the bristles, I'm just fluffing and buffing, and that's it. Do you guys see how that is a sharp, defined cheekbone? We really have that harsh contour look that we really love, and that's how you do it with Maskcara Beauty products. Girls, thin your face. Contour is amazing. It's the same methods that I use when I'm retouching photos for professional clients in photo sessions, is adding in shadows here on their faces to add dimension. So I'm not actually moving their face structure, I'm just accentuating their bone structure with shadows, and this is the same thing that women are doing every day with contour. So it's really fun. All right, I'm gonna do the fast forward version for you now. You guys get to see this happen twice. Okay girls, that's how we do it. It's really that simple. So now, if you're anything like me and you got a little crazy and now you have a little bit of contour down here and you're going, oh my gosh, how do I fix this? What do I do? It's really simple, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I just come back to my highlight colors. I just tap in, just barely, just tap in with the same brush that I've been using because it's cream on cream, it all blends together, and I just lightly flip it on back and I just clean it up a little bit. If you really want to pop your contour, come in with the small end and your lightest highlight and draw a line from about the center of your ear to the corner of your mouth. Center of your ear to the corner of your mouth, so just slightly lower than where you placed that contour. And lightly blend that. And just give your contour a little pop. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, I would love to help you. If you haven't been color matched by Maskcara Beauty, I would love to get you color matched to get this really simple, easy, compact, all-in-one makeup, all in one spot. It's amazing. I can't say enough about it, and I love for my photo clients to use it because they get this soft, flawless, chiseled look by themselves without having to have a professional makeup artist do their makeup. So if you haven't been color matched, I would love to help you with that. You can find the link in my information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch out for more tutorials from Photo Finish by Carrie Watson.